before you today, it is with great honor that I take on the role as the acting commander of the 4th Infantry Diamond Division. For more than 3 decades, Major General Michel B. Anairon Jr. has stood the watch, faithfully, selflessly, and with unwavering commitment as an officer of the Philippine Army. Through times of peace and uncertainty, through challenges and trials, he has remained steadfast, a true watcher of the force, a guardian of our mission, and a leader of men. He has stood the watch for so many years, and a leader of men. The watcher will be relieved, but the watch must go on. And as of this moment, I now stand ready to take the watch. As the acting division commander, I will stand by to watch over this division, to safeguard our area of responsibility, and to lead our troops with the same dedication, discipline, and commitment. I therefore express my sincere gratitude to the Commanding General, Philippine Army, Lieutenant General Antonio Gina Farete, Sir, for the trust and confidence in entrusting me this responsibility. I assure you, sir, that I will hit the ground running, fully committed to the duties of this important designation. Most importantly, I believe that the people of Northern Mindanao and Caraga regions, represented by our distinguished guests here today, deserve nothing less than the best service from the Philippine Army. Every single day, I draw confidence from my humble experience in my previous command assignments, particularly in advancing our efforts to end insurgency in our area of responsibility. As we continue to build on the achievement of my predecessor, I also extend my deepest gratitude to the outgoing commander, my Mr. Major General Anairon, who is also from Eco Company. So, turn over from Eco to Eco. For his exceptional leadership, dedication, and his unwavering commitment to the safety and security of Mindanao. Bokmich, no words can fully express our gratitude. Daghang kayong salamat kayo. To our Diamond Troopers, under my watch, we will remain steadfast in our mission. We will redouble our efforts to promote peace and stability in our area of responsibility through strong partnership with our stakeholders, local government units, and the communities we serve. We will continue to build trust and foster inclusivity and sustainable peace-building initiative. Our campaign will remain relentless against threats to peace, while extending the hand of reconciliation to those who seek a path back to the law. We will continue to build a culture of excellence in everything we do, whether in training, operations, or professional development. We will always go to the extra mile, for we believe that our most important asset is our people. With this, our commitment to serve and protect the people of Mindanao will remain firm and unwavering. To our stakeholders, thank you for your presence today. We look forward to our continued collaboration in pursuit of our shared goal, lasting peace and inclusive development. Again, to the High Headquarters, I sincerely express my gratitude for your trust and confidence. I assure you that I will lead with integrity, dedication, and honor. The watch continues. Daghang salamat o usab maayong hapon sa atong tanan.